Hey everybody, welcome to Executive Zone. My name is Edwin Zapata. Today we're going to go through a tutorial with InShot and how to edit videos. So let's get to it. Everybody, so welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And you can always check me out on social media at Instagram and TikTok, executive_zone. I only have one account, so be careful with scammers out there pretending to be me, because they are out there. So make sure you hit me up, and we're going to go through a tutorial today, something a little different, because I've had people ask me, and for those of you that are part of our members only, I want to help add this as value so that you can use this and come back to it if you ever need to remember, or you're not sure of how to edit your videos, or if you have somebody new that you'd like to help with their brand, or if you're just stopping by, then welcome to the channel. So we'll get right to it. The first thing you're going to want to do, this is the app that I use. It's called InShot. There is a free version. I find that if you have an iPad or a tablet, you can get away with the free version. And I'll show you how. But what you're going to want to do is download it from your app store. It's called InShot. And on my phone, I don't know why Apple does this, but on my phone, I actually bought it. So whatever the cost is, I'm not too sure anymore. I think it was like $5, $3. I don't remember what it is, but whatever it cost for the light version, I actually paid for it on my phone. So I actually have the full version on my phone, but on my iPad, even though it's the same like Apple account, it doesn't register as a full paid app. But who cares? You just use the free one. So once you download that, you're going to want to open it. And let's say, for example, you want to make your own videos. You're not too sure. You see people that like they make videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, like they have YouTube Shorts and all these other things. And you're not sure how they edit it. There are other apps out there. If you know of a better one, leave it in the comments. But we're just going to keep things simple, and I'm going to show you the basics of how to get things going. What I personally like to do is most of my videos that I put on TikTok, which, by the way, what I do first is I create the video in the app. Like, I'll record it from my camera, my phone camera, and then I will edit it in this app. And then I post it on TikTok, and then Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, etc., etc. So I make everything for TikTok, and then I take it from there and I put it everywhere else. Because once I put it into TikTok, I can add music to it and then put it elsewhere. I'll show you at the end of this video how to do it with music in the app, because it's a bit more complicated, and I'd rather you have the basics. So once you open the app, you're going to want to create a video, and let's say, as just an example, you wanted to put a few shots together. Maybe you recorded yourself talking here, maybe you recorded yourself walking, maybe outside, maybe you want to put in a nice video of something luxurious, cars, travel, whatever the case is. We're just going to mix mosh a few things that I actually used. So check this out. We'll just add this, which was my old intro. We will add just this video of myself. We'll do this one. And we will do this one. And this one. Or you know what? And we'll add this one because it's got motivational. Okay. So once you've selected the videos that you want, you can also add pictures in there, but that's for later. I'm just going to show you video for now. How you can do it is, now you have it here. If you press and hold on the slide itself, you can see that it shows you how many scenes you have, like how many different videos you have in the app itself. All right, let me just adjust this here. So let's say if you wanted to move it around, you can press and hold and you can switch them around. Okay, cool, straightforward. But maybe you're trying to post on TikTok and you're trying to keep it under a minute. So if you're going to keep it under a minute, you're going to have to start cutting some things out. So if we were to play this, it's going to look like this. The one video played. The next video played. I don't want to get copyright. Then this plays. Then this plays. My intro. And then more. So, how do we do this? Well, we arrange it the way we want it. I'm going to put this one here. And let's say I don't want any of this talking at all because it's so long. You can zoom out on the bottom bar. You can't see it, but I'm just zooming out. So you can zoom out so you can like see it different, or you can zoom in to go more microscopic. So I'm going to cut it out to get my intro. So it'll be right there. Let me zoom in. I'll just do it rough. I clicked split. I don't know if you saw it there. Click split. See, it's flashing. And I don't want any of this. You can see that it's highlighted. I don't want any of that. Highlighted all the way to the end. Delete. Cool. Now, over here on the bottom right, you can see that it says how much time there is. It says that there's 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Let me see if I can highlight this for you. Let me take a screenshot and show you. It'll be right down here. Beautiful. So it's telling you how long your video is right now. It was like 18 minutes, whatever, and I just cut out 16 minutes out of this. So we're trying to bring it down to a minute. Okay, so we'll zoom in. We'll cut some more stuff out and just follow. You can always like pause and come back to this. So see, I'm deleting this. So now it looks like this. Cool. It shows me that this is 6.8 seconds. Next video, maybe I like it, so I'll keep it. But for copyright reasons, I'm going to lower the volume. Okay, this one too. And I put in this scene for a reason. This one's 2 minutes, whatever, seconds long. Whoops. Okay, so this could be an example. This one here would be an example of, let's say you wanted a certain sound. And like you download the video from TikTok because it comes with sound. So pretend that this is one of those, because this has sound in it. You would move this to the front.
Before April 1954.
Okay, we're going to make it motivational and just cut it to where you want it. And I just want it to be a minute. Cut out the rest. Click the scene that you want. And then over here on the volume, you can click extract audio for that scene. So what it's doing now is it's taking the video and the audio and it's separating the two. So you can control each one individually. So now you can see when you go to the music section that was on the far left, you can see that it's the audio, you can move it around. If you move the audio all the way to where the other scenes start, you can reduce this to like nothing, or you can delete it. And now, when you press play,
because it had been tried again and again and again, and people had failed. The belief was.
But now there's too many sounds, so we can move that around. Why don't we cut out the sound from, like, have it start so we have a nice intro. This one, make sure that the volume's down. This one down, this one down. So the only one that has sound is the beginning intro. Come here, move this over. So now we know we're going to press play. That intro is going to go on, and then it's going to be the sound.
The common belief, the universal belief, because it had been tried again and again and again, and people had failed, the belief was.
So you get the idea. So now, congratulations, you have a video that has your sounds edited, the scene selected, but you need to make this the proper size for a phone device to be able to play it. So it has to be the right ratio, or else TikTok won't recognize it. It's not going to look good, because if you have it like this, it's going to come out as like a landscape video, and those don't do too well. You want it to be utilized properly. So let's say this is done. Cool. Remember, I'm showing you on my tablet. This is on my tablet. So expect on the tablet for there to be blurred out areas, because it's not going to show on this screen. But on your phone, it's going to be seamless. So pretend this is your phone. You would click on crop. And you can see all the different things here. Don't click, where was it? So here, you don't want to do this one here, because it's 9 by 16. This is the size that you're looking for, 9 by 16. And you're going to want to like put it where you want it. Play it as a sample. Move it around as you go. Cool, that's what you like. Awesome. Everything in the bar here is what you're going to see on TikTok. In the blurred areas, you're not. Here's where you can get away with it on your iPad or tablet. You see that watermark at the bottom? That watermark at the bottom will stay at the bottom right corner, because it's not the paid version. But on your tablet, you can cut it out. So let's say you're done. You want this. Top right, save, yes. Awesome. Let the whole thing go. Do not close the app. Do not minimize it. Do not go somewhere else. Let it finish. All right, once it's done. Cool, awesome. Yes, it's great. We love you. Not now. Cool, so it's done. Now you go to your camera roll, and it's going to be there at the end. Okay, beautiful, it's done. You're still gonna have to crop it, because remember, it saved it on, this is on the tablet. On your phone, it's gonna be already perfect. If it's on your tablet, you're gonna go to edit. This is where you can get away with the watermark. At the top right, you're gonna select this, and same thing down here. 16 by 9. And you're going to change it to rectangle. Voila. Make sure that you adjust it. Done. Of course, make sure it's aligned. I'm just doing things quick for you guys. Let it do its thing, and then you're done. If it had the watermark on the corner, it was out of this site, so you're not even going to see it. So on a tablet, you're getting away with a free version with the same things as the paid version. You're really not missing out on any features. If it's on your phone, you can do the exact same thing. The in-shot watermark will be at the bottom right. For a few times, it'll let you take it out. But if it continues to remain there and it's asking you to pay and you don't want to pay, that's okay. You don't have to pay. You're just going to have to sacrifice a bit of your video, And then when you go to crop it, you're just gonna have to zoom in a bit. It's a good way to start. It'll get you going. I hope that was helpful because it's gonna be different for you to get used to it. This is just a like an introductory thing. There are many other apps that you can use, other things to like remove backgrounds and other sounds. There are other apps that people like. Once you start to get more advanced, you can pay for the ones that are like $80, $100, and those are worth it if you're utilizing it. Like my girlfriend's a pro with that stuff. I get away with the paid version of InShot on my phone and a lot of other things. It's more than fine for me. You can even add text as well. I'll show you that quickly because I totally forgot to show you that. So let's go back to the video here. Let's say in the middle of the video somewhere you want to add text. Here, text. Write whatever you want. Change the font. Put it wherever. You can do all the different things. Play around with it. You can add pictures. Over here, picture in picture. You can add a video or just let's just say a picture. Picture, picture, picture. Where's the pictures? Boom. Save it. Process. Everything's good. Everything's the same. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. If you're in our members group, reach out to me directly. In our builders group, we have plenty of other people building their social media just like you. And if you're not part of our members group, it's okay. No problem. I still love you. Make sure that you hit me up on Instagram and TikTok. And I look forward to meeting you there. And I would love to further add value. In the description below, there is a link to a free Telegram channel where I will be dropping more marketing value and investing tips as well if you're looking to get into that. My name is Edwin Zapata. This was Executive Zone, and I hope this InShot tutorial was helpful.